Welcome to igboticnono, English to Igbo translation that you may not know. First of all, a brief introduction to Igbo culture for you to really understand what I'm trying to say. Igbo is a language spoken in southern eastern part of Nigeria. The Igbos have a population of over 50 million people. They are predominantly farmers, fishermen, hunters, carpenters, but the modern day Igbo man is versatile in all sectors of life. They have yearly festival ranging from Iwaji Festival or Fala Festival. All the celebration plays a fundamental role in bringing about unity amongst the people. There are numerous delicacies from southern eastern part of Nigeria that makes every visitor of foreigners live the culture, love the culture, and due to the influx of English in our generation, we tend to forget most words from our native tongue. Every tribe is guilty of this though. And these are some translations you never knew about.
Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel once again. This is your girl igboticnono. Please, if you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing, okay? Because subscription is free. And please endeavor to give this video a thumbs up and share it as well, guys. I want us to hit 1,000 subscribers at least before October runs out, and I know you guys are going to do it for me by helping me to share this video. So guys, without further ado, let's dive in today's video. We're going to be talking about some intimate words you can use in Igbo language and what they mean in English as well. So when you know this in Igbo, you also know the meaning in English. You can also use these words anytime you like, to your man, etc. And number one here is kiss. Kiss. Kiss here in Igbo means unsusu. 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 That's what it means. Unsusu. Unsusu. That's kiss. Achorom ge. Achorom ge. I want you. Achorom ge. I want you. Achorom ge. Okay? Achorom ge. Tell him achorom ge. It means I want you, okay? Ike agugum. I'm tired. Ike agugum. I'm tired. Ike agugum. I'm tired. Hug. Mako. Hug. Mako. Come and hug me. Bia makom. Come and hug me. Bia makom. Hug. Mako. Ikedim, I have strength. Ikedim, I have strength. Ikedim, I have strength. I have strength. Ikedim. Take kiss. Were nsusu. You say, okay, come and kiss me. Take kiss. Were nsusu. Were nsusu. Were nsusu. Take kiss. Closeness. Bianso. Bianso. Biamunso. Come close to me. Biamunso. Come close to me. Bianso. Come close. Bianso. Come close. Ịhụnanya na-egbu egbu. Ịhụnanya na-egbu egbu. Ịhụnanya na-egbu egbu. Ịhụnanya na-egbu egbu. Love is pain. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya nke ukwuu. I love you so much. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya nke ukwuu. I love you so much. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya nke ukwuu. I love you so much. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. I love you. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. I love you. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Obim, my heart. Obim, my heart. Obim, my heart. It's a very sweet name. Ịhụnanya na-agwọ ọrịa. Ịhụnanya na-agwọ ọrịa. Ịhụnanya na-agwọ ọrịa. Love heals. Ịhụnanya anaghị ada ada. Ịhụnanya anaghị ada ada. Ịhụnanya anaghị ada ada. Love never fails. Ịhụnanya anaghị ada ada. Ịhụnanya na-enye aṅụrị. Ịhụnanya na-enye aṅụrị. Love is joy. Ịhụnanya na-enye aṅụrị. Love is joy. Ịhụnanya na-afụ ụfụ. Ịhụnanya na-afụ ụfụ. Love hurts. Ịhụnanya na-afụ ụfụ. Love hurts. Honey, aṅụ. Honey, aṅụ. Honey, aṅụ. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. Hope you loved it. Hope you enjoyed it. Put down in the comment section the words amongst these you have heard before, or the one you want to know as well. Also give this video a thumbs up and share this video as well, like I said. And hope this video you enjoyed it as always. So these are the intimate words often used, if you want to relate in Igbo language. These words are quite important because they are often used. Remember, I bring to you Igbo speaking that are often used, so that as you're learning Igbo, you can learn these ones, and with it you can blend in while communicating, and in as such learn Igbo very quickly. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.